This is a very short TEMU navigation tutorial. So you're in TEMU. If you're in TEMU, go to the search bar and you could either type in, or if you've done it before, these options are already here. And look, if you click more, all the other things that you've typed in are there too. So if you want to go to credit daily rain, credit rain, an item you were looking for, you can go back to those, or people's codes, you can go back to those. But primarily, if you want to go back to Fishland, Hat Trick, Free Gifts, Farmland, click on any of those and it'll take you back to that. Say for example, there's Fishland. It'll take you right back to Fishland. And again, if you want to get out of Fishland, hit that back button right there. And of course, it'll give you prompts. It'll do that a few times until you can get yourself out again. It's giving you reminders. Okay, I got it. You got to hit the back bar again. So it does take a little bit of work to get out. But here, hit the exit button to get out. Now you're back in TEMU. If you want to go to your account in TEMU, excuse me there, you go, look down here. You see that button that says U? Click the U button right there. U. Click that button, and it'll take you to your orders. There's your name on top, your messages, and here's your orders. Your reviews, if you've made reviews. I've made several reviews. You can go back to those. And hit your back button if you want to go back. There's your back button. Sometimes, for some reason, you got to hit it a few times. Your credit balance, your information. Now here, somebody was asking about how to do returns. Here, click on your orders, and you can see all your orders. And you just pick which one. So let me scroll back here and show you. There's return, refund, return, refund, return, refund. Just hit those buttons and then follow the prompts from there. I'm not returning anything at this time, so I'm not going to go through the process with you. But that's what you do. So that's your navigation tutorial for TEMU. Also on the top bar, you can see your orders there, as I just showed you all the way down there. Processing, which items are actually in the middle of processing. Which items have actually shipped. Which items have actually been delivered. And the last tab is your returns. And these are items I actually returned. This was actually a free gift, by the way, which was really awesome for my dog. It was a pair of goggles. I actually have them here in my living room. Let me grab them quick for you. Hang on. Here's the goggles right here. And I did return them because you see that splotch on them? There's a big splotch on them. So I requested a refund because they were, I guess you want to say damaged or not, you know, whatever you want to call that splotch on there. Yeah. So, and TEMU actually credited me, as you can see, $2.99 for a free item. And that one I returned because I actually didn't order it and it was useless to me. So, anyways, that again is under your returns tab. And then you got delivered, shipped, processing. And just slide it over and go back to all orders if you want. And then if you want to get out, you just hit the back button. And then in this one, there is no back button, so you got to go down here and hit your back button there. So there you go. There's your tutorial in TEMU, a short review. Thanks for watching. Come back for more.